and this is hadith in Al-Bukhari and Muslim. Sayyidina Abu Hurairah narrated that Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam said, سبعة يظلهم الله في ظله يوم لا ظل إلا ظله. 7 will be under the shade of Allah in the day where there is no shade but His shade, His capital letter. Why there is a shade on the Day of Judgment? Why do I need a shade? And let's think in dunya. When do we need shade? When do we need shade? We need shade when there is sun. So whenever there is sun, we need shade. So will there be a shade on the Day of Judgment? And the answer is yes. And hadith of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, the meaning of on the Day of Judgment, the sun will be so close to the human being, بمقدار ميل. The narrator said, he said meal, M-E-E-L. And he said, I didn't know if Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam meant it's a distance like 1 mile, or he meant the size or the distance of the small stick that they use to put eyeliners. This is usually, it used to be very common, where it's like a small, beautiful container, and then you put in it a very thin stick, and then you put it in, and it's usually this size. It's probably 4 or 5 centimeters, and you put it in, probably even less. You put it in and out, and then the person uses it to put eyeliner. So he said, I don't know if the sun will be that close, like this much, or it is the mile. So it's going to be very close. It's going to be very hot. And in another hadith, Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam explained that the sun is so close that the human beings will start sweating. And I'm not talking about sweating on the forehead, maybe sweating in the axilla, maybe sweating in our clothes. And he described, subhanAllah, it is so scary. He said, the sweating, the amount of the sweating, the human being, he or she, by the way, this is us, all of us, depends on how much sins they have. The amount of the heat they will feel, and in response, the body will start producing sweats. It depends how much sins they have. And he gave the parable that they will be covered with the sweat, some to their knees, some to their heels, some to their knees, some to their half of their body, some to their neck. Subhanallah. So we need to imagine the amount of heat. I need to understand this so I know why specifically he said there is a shade on the Day of Judgment.